Hello everyone, welcome to RV SnapPad.com. This short video will show you how to quickly and easily order products off of our website. Right now you're on our homepage. This is the first page you'll see when you first come to our website. If you know what product you're looking for, scroll over to the products menu and select the appropriate product selection. For now, we're going to check out our SnapPad Extra collection. Click Explore Products to learn more. Here we are in the SnapPad Extra collection. This will list all the extra packages that we have available. Let's take a look at our best seller, the Extra 6-pack. On product pages like this, you will find a description of what's in the package, as well as compatibility and product specs. If this is the right package for you, click Add to Cart. Here's where you start the checkout process. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your rig details, make, model, and year. Please be sure to enter the correct rig information to help ensure compatibility. There is also an option on how to let us know how you heard about SnapPads, but you can skip that if you want. If your order has special circumstances, enter them here. At this point, you can click Checkout. That will take you to this screen, where you can fill out your contact and shipping details. Please be sure to enter this information correctly and double check it before proceeding. If you have a discount code, be sure to enter it here and click Apply before continuing. The system will tell you if the code was accepted. We only have one shipping method available, UPS Ground, so you can click Continue to Payment Method. You also have another opportunity to enter a discount code here if you missed it on the last screen. Here's where you choose how to pay for your SnapPads. We accept MasterCard, Visa, American Express, and Apple Pay if you're on an iPhone. Whatever you choose, you can enter your information here. You can also choose a different billing address if it's different than your shipping address. If everything looks okay, click Complete Order. And that's it. You should receive a notification email from us after your order has been entered. Thank you for choosing us, and we hope that you love your SnapPads. If you have any other questions, please contact us at info@rvsnappad.com.